I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking chapter 5 assess exam. Okay, you can see exam 5 assess. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please contact me if you need help in any assignments, any exam, and any course. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Please help me for your weekly assignments, help me for your weekly quiz, and help me for your complete course. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. You can see first question. Open the DVD title from form in form view. Basically in this question we will open DVD title form in form view. Okay, double click on DVD title form. Okay, now use the next record button to display the fourth record, and use the previous record button to display the third record. Basically in this question we will use the next record button to display the fourth record, and then use the previous record button to display the third record. Okay, now first we will use the next record button for fourth record, and then we will use previous record button for to display third record. Okay, now we will previous record button for third record. Okay, now previous record button display. This question is done. Now you can see this question in the DVD title form. Search for the DVD title field containing the word park in any part. Okay, now we will search the word is park. You can see we will search here word park, P-A-R-K. We will search here word park. Okay, this is good. Now create a new blank record in the form. Now we will create a new blank record. Okay, this is good. Now in the DVD ID fields enter 22. In the DVD title field enter Ghostbusters and press tab. Okay, first we will in the DVD title DVD ID field enter 22 first. Okay, now DVD title field enter Ghostbusters. Okay, we will type here Ghostbusters. Question is completed. Now in the datasheet view display the total row, the sum for the actual sales and the average of the payment column. Okay, simply we will go to the records group, and then simply click on totals. Total row will be shown, and then the sum of the actual sales and the average of the payment column. Okay, scroll down, and then we will find the sum of the actual sales column. Click on the end of actual sales column, click on the total row, and then we will find the sum of the actual sales column. Okay, click on sum. Now we will click in the payment column, and then we will find average in the payment column. Simply click on the average. Okay, this is good. Now question is done. Now we will save and close the query. Simply save this and then close this query. Okay, this is good. Now next question is that with the repairs table open in datasheet view, with the repairs table open in design view, change the RID field name to rapid ID and then press enter. Simply first we will open the repair table in design view, and then we will change the RID field name to repair ID. Simply okay, we will tap here repair ID in the change this repair ID RID to repair ID. Okay, then press enter. Apply the default short date input mask to the repair date field. Okay, we will apply the default short name input mask to the repair date field. Okay, basically we will click on the repair date field, and then click on the data type column, and then we will we will apply the default short date input mask to repair date field. Okay, simply click on the input mask and then click on yes. Okay, click on short date. Okay, input mask is short date and then simply click on next. Okay, finish it. Question is completed now. Now create a new database using the blank database template. Save the database in the document folder using the name A02 warranty. Okay, create a new database using the blank database template. Okay, simply click on blank database and then we will click on file. Okay, we will select, we will rename this A02 warranty, A02 warranty, then click on OK, then click on create. Database will be created. Now create a field in the second column of the table using short text as the data type and technical ID as the field name. You can see here, create a field in the second column of the table using short text as the data type and technical ID as the field name. Okay, now we will create a field in the second column. First we will creating a field and then using the short text as the data type and technical ID as the field name. Okay, field name is that technical ID. We will type here technical ID and then short text data type. Now save the table using the name technicians. Okay, we will save this table using the name as technician. Right click on this and then close, save as technician. Here we will type here technician, TECHNICANS, then click on OK. This table will be saved as the technician's name. Question is done now. Okay, open the DVD titles table in design datasheet view. You can see here, open the DVD titles table in datasheet view. Again we will click on DVD titles table and then we will open in datasheet view. In the 12th record, change the genre from HOR to DRA. Press tab and then undo the changes. Okay, click on the 12 records and then we will change the genre from HOR to DRA here in 12 record, then undo the changes. Change the genre to DRA again and then press tab, close the DVD titles table. Okay, we will change the genre to DRA again here. Okay, and then press tab, close the DVD titles table. Close the genre course table. Okay, this is good now. Create a new query using the query design button. First add the employees info table and then sales by employees table. Close the open dialog box. From the employees info table, add the first name and last name field to the query design grid. From the sales by employees table and quarter and actual sales. Okay, now we will create a new query using the query design button. Click on create, click on query design. Okay, first add the employees info table and the sales. Okay, click on employees info table and then sales by employees. We will add these two tables. Okay, from the employees info table and the first name and then last name fields to query design grid. Okay, from the sales by employees table and quarter actual sales. Okay, run the query. Simply we will run this query. Okay, display the query 1, query in data design view. Okay, with the query 1 query open in design view, set the criteria for the quarter field to be first, press enter. Basically in this question, with the query 1 query open in design view, first we will query 1 open in design view, set the criteria for the quarters to be first. Okay, quarter to be first, criteria first. In design view of the query sort the actual sales column A ascending order. Simply click on the actual sales column and then sort the actual sales column is ascending order. We will sort this column in ascending order. Okay, simply right click on this and then click on ascending. Okay, save the query as employees commission first quarter. Right click on this and then save this query as employee commission first quarter. We will type here employee commission first quarter, employee commissions and first quarter. Okay, then click on OK. Run the query. Simply we will run the query. Okay, question is completed. Now display the employees commission first quarter query in design view. We will open in design view. We will display this query in design view. Right click on this and simply click on design. In the first empty column, create a calculated field with the name commission that multiplies the actual sales field by 0.025. Then press enter. You can read this question. In the first empty column, create a calculated field with the name commission. Okay. Right click on this, click on impression builder, and then first we will enter commissions that multiply the actual sale field by 0.025 commission, and then actual sales into actual sales multiplying by 0.25, multiplying by 0.25. Then click on OK. Run the query and then save the query. Simply run the query and then right click on this and then we will save this query. Okay, add the repair needed field from the repairs table to the query design grid. Add the repair needed fields from the repairs table to the query design grid. You can read this question. I am gonna doing this question. Now run the query. Simply run the query. Okay, display the repair count query in design view. Right click on this and then view in design view. Open in design view. Add a total row to the query design grid for repair count. Simply click on totals row. Okay, select the aggregate function count in the customer ID field. Okay, group by. Right click on this and then here is count. Okay, run the query to count the number of customer for each repair needed. Simply we will run this query. Okay, question is done now. In the fourth record of the DVD titles table, select the genre field. ACT use filter by selection to find all records that have a genre field equal to ACT. Okay, in the fourth record of the DVD titles table, select the genre field. Simply go to the fourth record, select genre field ACT, use filter by selection. Go to the sort and filter group. Okay, filter by selection. Find all record that we have a genre field equal to ACT. Okay, equal to ACT. Simple is here. Now toggle the filter off. Okay, toggle filter off. Question is completed now. I have done 10 questions of this exam right now. You can see on my PC screen. Open the DVD titles table in data sheet view. We will open DVD titles table in data sheet view. Okay, DVD titles table in data sheet view. Select the DVD ID 22 from DVD titles table. Begin to delete the records. Simply click on ID 22 and then we will delete this record. Do not indicate. Right click on this and then simply delete records. Delete the record. Click on no. Close the DVD titles table. Right click on this and then simply close this table. Question is completed now. Next is that with the repairs by city query, open in design view, set the criteria for the city field to be Dallas. Press enter. Simply with the repairs by city query, open in design view, set the criteria for the city field to Dallas. Okay, we will click on city field columns and then click we will set criteria is here Dallas. Okay, DALLS. Okay, set the queries by sort. The last name field is ascending order. Click on the last name field column and then we will sort the last name field in ascending order. Click on last name field column. You can see last name field column is here and then we will sort this column is ascending order. Okay, this is good. Now run the query. Question is completed now. Begin the process to import the Excel workbook A02 repairs XLS from the documents folder as a new table in database. Basically in this question we will import a file Excel. Simply go to the external data tab and then click on new data source and then from Excel file and then we will browse file. The file name is here A02 repairs XLS. Okay, we will select this file and simply click on open. Click on OK and then next. Okay, with the first row contains column heading checkbox selected. Click next. Modify the field options of the already field so that it is indexed with no duplicates and then click next. Okay, with the first row contains column headings checkbox selected. Okay, do not. Okay, yes, no duplicates and then click on next. Set the already field as the primary key. Click next and then complete the wizard using the default table name. Do not save the import steps. Okay, choose on primary key, click on next and then default name, do not save the import step and then click on next and then close this. Question is completed now. In the repairs by city query, change the city for customer ID C012 from Dallas to Houston. Okay, from Dallas to Houston we will change the city name. We will type here HOUSTO and Houston and then press enter. Houston and then press enter and then save it. Open the customer table in datasheet view. We will open this customer table in datasheet view. Add a new record to the end of the customer table. Enter C017 in the customer ID field and okay, end of we will add a customer ID is that C017, customer ID C017 and then customer ID field as MC Kolov. Okay, we will type here MC Kolov, MCCO LLOUGH COLLOUGH. Okay, open the repairs by city query in datasheet view. We will open this in datasheet view. Right click on this and then city by repair by city in datasheet view. Make a copy of the repair by city query name, repair by city sorted and then open the new query in design view. Right click on this repair by city and then we will create a copy. Click on copy and paste here. The name is repair by city sorted. The name is repair by city sorted or EPORS repair by city sorted. Okay, and open the new query in design view. Right click on this and then simply open a design view. Remove the sort from the last name field by selecting sort the query by the customer ID field and in descending order run the query. Remove the sort from the last name field. Okay, we will slide none, it's mean remove sorts and then sort the query the customer ID field in descending order. Okay, we will sort this customer ID is descending order and then simply run the query. Okay, question is completed now. You can see on my PC screen I have done 15 questions of this exam. For remaining question and if you want to do for complete course You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SS, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please contact me for you any help. I can do complete exam for you with A plus grade. I can do your all assignments, I can do your all simulation training, and I can do your all course with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.